Alpine audio system that is an upgrade. So we're going to talk about really, this is the Jeep Wrangler. It's trail rated. So we're going to get out here up underneath the hood. So it uses a combination. It's got a 2.0 turbo inline 4, and it's got 2 electric motors, and it's got a 700 amp battery that goes with this to power it all. So you put this all together and you end up with 375 horsepower on it. Now, because of the battery and the other things that have come with this with the Rubicon, because of the trail rating, this thing weighs in at 5,275 pounds. Wow. It's kind of heavy.
Yeah, chunky.
It's got an 8-speed automatic transmission. They've got that across several parts of their line. It's a great transmission. This vehicle is capable, properly equipped, of towing 3,500 pounds. Now, the EPA, the ratings on this thing, because of it is a plug-in type hybrid setup. Now, it says you should get about 49 miles per gallon electronic, the E that's on it. 20 out here on the gas is what you should be looking for. Now, the EV portion of it is capable of going 22 miles. Now, Stellantis or Jeep says it takes about 12 hours to charge that, to do that. And you got to remember, this thing it's a Jeep, it's a Wrangler, it's a 4-door, it's shaped like a brick. So you're going to get a lot of, I got a lot of wind and road noise, and even the rain created some noise in it. But part of that was because it has the one-touch removable top option. Now, this is a $42.95 option in taking off the top. And if you think about it, and I really thought about it, I would take the top off. I would take the doors off, so road noise is not going to be a consideration. But I will say,
taking my top off.
Absolutely.
Yeah, just a bottle of wine for you.
I figured just half a glass. But anyway, the extra weight, and I mentioned that this thing was a little heavy. The extra weight actually helped with the ride because this is a Rubicon. It's got the stiff suspension on it. So that it makes the highway ride a lot better. Now, this is a 4xe, so it is available it does have the $7,500 tax credit that's available for this vehicle. Now, you can get a base Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon for about $56,530. Now, the base trim for the 4xe version is $60,585. However, because of the options we had, such as that almost $4,300 removable top option, the MSRP of this vehicle was set up at $81,150 with the anniversary package. Wow. I mean, there's a ton of stuff on this vehicle.
I'll take my top off for $4,600.
Absolutely. So, and again, much like the Grand Cherokee,
just because I can, without any money.
I just threw up
because of the bottle of wine. The again, like last week, talking about the Grand Cherokee 4xe, the competitors of this vehicle. You can look at vehicles that are similar size. You can look at off-road vehicles, but to get into an EV setup or a plug-in hybrid that's got that capability, it's hard to do. So, to me, there just is nothing comparable if you're looking for that type of vehicle. And they have it. They take them out on the Rubicon and trails and everywhere else.
Well, let me just say this about off-road vehicles. It's very difficult to compare an off-road vehicle, i.e., the Bronco, the Wrangler. Off-road vehicles are just that. And don't think you're not going to have wind noise and some of the other things that go along with an off-road vehicle. They don't ride the same as a car.
No, they don't.
And so don't compare them to cars. You got to compare them
to... It's got a lot of straight edges and sharp edges that create wind noise.
Well, it just, it's a square body vehicle, and that's to add to those off-road capabilities with the off-road camera systems and things that you can get with it.
The N-Wheel Time Car Talk Show is available 24/7 through the iHeartRadio app. Just look for N-Wheel Time Car Talk. We also video stream on Facebook.